Well, the Supreme Court on its part, Akshita, has done its duty to break this stalemate. It has formed a committee. It has named the members of the committee who will look into all the aspects clause by clause and talk to all the interested parties, including the centre and the farmer unions. It has also issued a notice as far as the 26th of January proposed tractor rally is concerned, which the farmer unions have threatened to bring out in the national capital on the Republic Day. It has also taken note of the centre's concern that there are certain anti-national elements, certain Khalistani elements in this agitation who are working from inside to destabilize the situation. The court has asked the centre to file an affidavit on that issue. The court has also taken note of the fact that the farmer unions who are sitting on the borders have rejected the court's offer to be part of the proceedings of this committee which will be formed. It has said that you cannot reject it or accept it at your free will. The court has assured the farmer unions that this is a judicial process, it's a legal process, and it is keeping the implementation of the 3 crucial farm laws in abeyance till the report comes out. So these are enough assurances, enough talks from both sides. You know, the government has been saying that there are Khalistani elements. They want to, come and disturb the law and order situation on the Republic Day. The farmers have been saying the government had been arrogant. It has been not taking a constructive approach. So it has addressed all the sides as a court should do, Akshita. It has also
all
said
sides,
very
the Supreme Court has made it very clear that both the centre as well as the protesting farmers must now cooperate with this committee. And this is the step that's been taken to end that deadlock. Anand and Anisha, request both of you to stay on with us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.